Some of you know the song. The song's about looking for the good in every situation. Kind of doing the best with what you got. No moon and stars, the clouds cover near and far. Wind is blowing, the embers are still glowing. It's warm inside, such a nice place to reside. I'm right behind, shutting the door tight. We could just bask in the glow. It's time to lay low. We have shelter from the weather. Spend some time together just to listen to the rain on the roof. We'll pull the covers over our heads. We're not leaving this bed. We're gonna listen to the rain on the roof. I'll throw another log on the fire. Could you pour us some more tea? Man, my feet feel wicked good. I'm wearing my LL Beans. There's no end in sight. This is such a delight. We have shelter from the weather. Spend some time together just to listen to the rain on the roof. We'll pull the covers over our heads. We're not leaving this bed. We're gonna listen to the rain on the roof. Gonna listen to the rain on that roof. Woo! We have shelter from the weather. Spend some time together just to listen to the rain on that roof. We'll pull the covers up over our heads. No, we're not leaving this bed. Don't listen to the rain on that roof. We're gonna listen to the rain on the roof. We're gonna listen to the rain on the roof.